Assalamu alaikum people. In this video I will show you 3 different ways to style your lace or your bordered hijab. So keep watching. For the first style, we'll simply take our laced border over our forehead and we'll wear it as we wear our hijab cap. We will pin it at the back of our neck with our hijab pin. Now we'll simply take the longer end and take it all over our head and bring it in front. You can fold the edges like I have done to give it a more neat look. Now we'll simply take the edge that was hanging on our shoulder and we'll take it down the loop that was created. You need to adjust it a bit to give the desired look. And this is the complete look. You don't need much pins for this hijab style. Now for the second hijab style, I have folded 1/3 of my hijab like so, and then creating a point on the forehead, I will pin it in the center. You can simply pin the smaller end on the other shoulder. Now the longer end has to be taken all around your head. Now I am doing it a little tighter so that it stays on its place and looks neat as well. Now as you can see, the other end I have taken the bordered side, and the purpose is that we need to take this bordered side, the net side, and we have to take it over our head like so that the border or the net is visible. Doing it again for a better look. So this is how we are going to do it. It's super easy and a very simple way in which you can show the border of your hijab. Now for the third style, I am going to fold the edges of my hijab like so, and then I am going to use a hairpin to secure one side of the hijab. Now this is the smaller side that I am securing. For the other side, I am twisting the side a little and then I am securing it with a straight pin like I have shown. Now the bigger end, we are going to take it all over the top of our head like this. Now, using this style, you can easily show off your earrings. This is also a good style to wear with glasses. Now the border, we are going to make sure that this border is visible, and so we are going to take it over our shoulder. Or if you want, you can take it over your head. Obviously it depends on how you choose to show it. I'm simply going to pin it at the back of my shoulder with a straight pin, or you can use a safety pin. And that is it. The look is ready, and this is how it looks. A little twist from one side, and from the other side it looks normal. This is the complete look. I hope you liked this video, and do like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.